So in today's video, we're going to install some new fog lights for the car. I ordered these on Amazon from Spider. And I think they're like local. They're like in City of Industry or something like that. They're pretty cheap. I think I paid like 30 bucks or something like that. It comes with the whole kit where you can, if your car doesn't come with, or your truck does not come with the fog lights, it comes with the like the OEM switch and the harness and all that stuff. But I'm just replacing mine. I already cheated and I did one, and I'll show you real quick before I show you guys. This is my OEM one. As you can see, is like super nasty. I didn't even bother polishing it out. I said it was so cheap, just buy new ones. I think it'll look better. But check this out. Got new lights, right? And I got this nasty fog light and it looks terrible. But if you look at this one that I installed, boom, boom, it's a game changer. It looks so much cleaner. Look at that. Nice and clean. I already performed one. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to take it off and put it in, and then we'll do some cinematic shots of the new front end. So let's get to it. So I want to show you something real quick just so you understand what we're going to be doing. So basically this right here, this part right here, you're going to find on the sides, and this goes inside your OEM bumper. They're like little tabs that stick out a little bit on each side. Then this little guy right here is a little plastic knob that pops in on your bumper too. So the mounting points are this, and this. I learned it's easier just to take this black part off. Let me take it off. See how it's on a ball joint or a screw or whatever? You're gonna take this off, and then you're gonna pop it in on the other one, and then you'll pop this in after. So that's the first step I recommend. The only tools I'm using for this is a flathead screwdriver and these vice grips. I prefer you guys to use like a crescent wrench, or not a crescent wrench, but a needle nose instead of this. But this works too. I'm just lazy and I don't want to go get my other tool. So this is the back of the bumper, as you guys can see. First thing you're gonna do is disconnect the harness. Pull on this guy. That pulls right out. All right, I didn't expect it to come out like that. That means the light bulb's broken inside. Then the next thing you want to do is push these little guys in with the flathead, and then squeeze this. Sometimes you have to squeeze it, but sometimes just by prying through here with the flathead will work. So what I'm going to do is push on this guy. And it pushes out. So right now, I'm going to put in the new one. There you go. So there it is, the setup looks so much better now. So don't pop it out like I did earlier, because I think I broke the bumper. It's kind of loose, it's not really tight. This one I took my time, and this one's nice and tight. Oh, I guess they're both kind of loose. But I just needed new lenses. I don't need to run the other setup, so for me this is just extra. But if your model does not come with the wiring or OEM with the fog lights, which a lot don't, you could definitely buy and put it in yourself. I think it'd be a lot harder. There's probably videos on YouTube doing that. I think I saw one actually, but I just needed new lenses, just give it a facelift pretty much. And yeah, so let's go do some cinematic shots. Alright guys, so that wraps up the episode of installing the new fog lights. The only thing I recommend is you don't like force it out, because I think I broke a little bit of the bumper, but it's still staying in there because there's 3 parts of the light where it's actually holding on. I broke the left one, so it's still holding on, but it's a little flimsy, but I think it'll be okay. I think I'll put like some double-sided tape, and they sell some weather resistant ones, which I think will be all right. If I had to rate from 1 to 10 how difficult the headlights were, or the fog lights were actually, I'm gonna say, about a 2. It's not that hard. You only need 2 tools, maybe just one, and it's basically pop it out and pop it in, nothing to it. So that wraps it up. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to leave comments down below. I love interacting with you guys. That's my favorite part of YouTube. If you guys didn't know, we have an online website. It'll be in the link in the description down below. You get key tags, stickers, Broadway mirrors if you guys are interested. So that wraps it up. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.